Similarity and congruence. This is a little kind of map of the topic and how it all relates together. So congruence, we're going to look at 2D shapes, and specifically triangles comes up quite often with this topic. And then similarity, which is looking at 2D and 3D shapes. And then we'll do some proofs as well within each of these three parts. So what you're going to notice with these two diagrams is the triangles on the left are the same shape, but they're different sizes. The triangles on the right are the same shape and size, except they've been rotated or flipped. So we could say that the shapes on the left, the purple shapes, are similar to each other. So that's the definition, it's the same shape, and they are enlargements. Now enlargement, if you think of a negative enlargement, that does mean bigger or smaller. It could be either way. And the triangles on the right are congruent. Congruent means they're exactly the same shape and size. We're going to focus on congruence first because it's a slightly smaller topic. So the first part of congruence is almost insultingly easy for you guys, so I'm not going to actually get you to do the exercise, but you can kind of do it in your head maybe. You shouldn't be able to see the answers. I'm not going to re-record this though, so you can see the answers on the right, don't look at those. Congruent shapes are exactly the same shape and size. They can be rotated or reflected. So in this case, can we match up congruent shapes? I'll do some with you so you can see shape N is a T shape, and then shape I. They're both congruent to each other, so N and I are the same, or for example, K matches with J. So that's basically congruent shapes. It's the type of questions which you would get the very, very, very beginning of a foundation paper. You're probably not going to get anything like this on the higher paper, but you should still be aware that's what we mean by congruence, and they can refer to any shapes. But we're going to look at triangles. So when you're looking at triangles that are not, or shapes that are not as simple as the ones you see here, we have to be a bit more rigorous and careful. And specifically, triangles are the shapes that will come up a bit more often. There's special properties of triangles and congruent triangles that you need to know, which I'm going to show you in the next video.